There's a popular saying in trading that goes 90% of retail traders lose 90% of their capital within the first 90 days of trading. Well, this saying actually goes way beyond new traders. We have experienced traders, we have people who have been trading for a very long time who still have not become profitable. When we say you're a profitable trader, what it simply means that on a balance of probabilities, if you compare your profits to your losses, your profits far outweigh your losses. As long as your profits are more than your losses in total, you can call yourself a profitable trader. But we have so many traders who make profits, but they are still not profitable trader. So you can be making profits, you can be trading and making profits, but you are still not a profitable trader because when you combine your total profits to your total losses, your losses far outweigh your profits. So in today's video, we'll be looking at a number of reasons why a lot of traders fail to be profitable, why people fail to make money, even though they've been trading for a very long time. We'll be looking at a number of reasons why so many traders lose money. We'll be right back. So the first reason is greed. Greed. I spoke about this extensively in my first video when I said I actually lost a huge amount of money on a day where I actually made money. If you've noticed that there are so many retail traders who lose money on days they make money. It's one of the funniest things that can happen to you as a retail trader. You make money, you wake up very early in the morning, you find trading setups, you make money very easily on it. You feel that money was made very easily, so you might as well just jump in again and then make more for yourself. That's where greed comes in. So you realize that sometimes you don't even wait for proper setups, you don't even wait for solid trade setups, you don't even have confirmations on most of your setups. The thirst, the hunger for making more money is what kills a lot of traders. So you end up with jumping in headfirst on another position without any confirmation, thinking the market is going to go in a particular direction without even that setup meeting your trading criteria. Then you jump in headfirst and you end up losing money. So greed is one of the major reasons why. It's one of the things that kills a lot of traders. So now you end up saying bad things about trading. You say Forex is a scam. You say the market gods are against you. Some even go as far as saying someone has been monitoring your trading activities from I don't know where. All stems from greed. So always make sure you have a trading criteria. Always make sure your trade, every trade you take meets the various criteria you want to see before you take any trade. The second one is revenge trading. Revenge. Revenge is simply wanting payback for anything that happens to you. Believe it or not, it's in trading as well. So many times it's happened to me, it's happened to every single trader. You jump in on a trade, it kills you easily. You feel bad, you feel pained, you feel you need to actually make back the money you lost instantly. It's the thirst, that hunger to make back money you lost instantly. That's what revenge trading is. It has killed so many traders because now you are thinking emotionally. You are basically thinking emotionally, you're not thinking rationally. You jump in on a trade, let's say you jump in on a gold setup. It goes heavily against you, it hits your stop loss. You feel if the stop loss wasn't there, this trade would have actually gone in my favor. Then you jump in again, feeling you have the power to actually make the money you lost back easily. What you need to learn is how to control yourself. Revenge trading is not something I'll actually recommend. Revenge trading is something that has blown a lot of trading accounts. If you stop thinking this way, it will actually go a long way to help you. It will actually go a long way to build your trading confidence and your trading psychology. So stop revenge trading because it's going to end up blowing your account. It's going to end up hurting you in the long run. The next reason why so many traders lose is analysis paralysis. Believe it or not, we also have paralysis in trading as well, in trading analysis. So basically, if you say you have analysis paralysis, what it means is you spend so much time analyzing the chart, you spend so much time going through the chart, looking at what is happening, finding so many opportunities, but you don't have you don't have the strength, the mental fortitude to actually execute the trades you find. So many times you see this. It happens to so many people in sports betting. Chelsea is playing against Man United. You will say, oh, Chelsea will win. Chelsea score Man United 2-0. He will tell other people to stake it, but he doesn't have the strength. He doesn't have the balls to stake it because he's afraid of losing money. That's analysis paralysis. It actually stems a lot from fear. A lot of people generate from losing money. Anytime they see trading opportunities, they are not able to trade because they feel sometimes they have fear they're going to lose that money. They have fear they're going to end up losing that particular trade. Try and kill that fear. A lot of people are perfectionists. If you're a perfectionist, it's not going to help you as a trader because so many people want to see the perfect setup. They want to see a set. I had a student I was training sometime who actually was always telling me, anytime I teach him something, he was always telling me, is it 100%? Is it 100%? He wants a setup that has no probability of losing in a speculative market. So you need to understand that Forex is actually a speculative market. It's speculation. You are basically making predictions on where price is going to go. So understanding that losses happen will go a long way to help you. Understanding that the market is not always going to go in your direction. You don't have control over what's going to happen on the market. You don't have control over anything. You don't have control over the direction the market is going to go. You're basically making a speculation based on your analysis. So you need to understand that sometimes you need to trust your judgment and then take trades on them. If you're always looking for the best setup, if you're always looking for a setup that has 100% potential, 100% probability of making you profit, you might end up never trading at all. Because one small loss you take, you'll be scared of jumping in on that particular setup again. So I'm trying to tell you today to kill that fear in you that creates the analysis paralysis. You're actually rewarded as a trader for your decision making, executing your buy and sell order. When you spot opportunities on the market and you feel they have the potential of making you money, kill that doubt that ends up making you feel you're going to lose that. There's a reason why you have stop loss. There's a reason why there's risk management. There's a reason why there are all these tools in place to control how much you lose, to control how much you risk on the market. So once again, I want to tell you that you are rewarded for your decision making. You are rewarded for your decision making. Trading rewards you for the decisions you make, the buy and sell orders you make. That's what pays you money. It's not your analysis. So you need to understand to take some risks. The next thing is FOMO. FOMO basically means fear of missing out. Fear of missing out. This thing has killed patience in so many traders. Fear of missing out. You see a setup, you see the market, let's say you see the market on a support zone, you're expecting it to reverse and go for a buy. There are so many times where we jump in on trades, we jump in on buy positions without seeing any bullish presence. We jump in on sell positions without seeing any bearish presence. Trust me, all this stems from fear of missing out. FOMO, what we call FOMO, fear of missing out. You have a feeling the market is going to go in that particular direction, so you might as well jump in head first and then make your money before everyone else spots that particular opportunity. It comes from greed. It comes from lack of patience as well. Instead of waiting for your various trading criteria to actually play out before you jump in on a trade, you end up jumping in head first. We have a concept we say in my trading cycle that goes by: never jump in front of a moving train. The market is going in one particular direction. You're expecting it to reverse. You don't wait for any consolidation. You don't wait for any bullish presence reversal. You end up jumping in head first, expecting the market to change direction because you placed a buy or a sell order. You need to develop the habit of having patience, having to wait. You don't want to jump in on a trade, wait for the market to go in huge drawdown, or wait for the market to even hit your stop loss and then end up going in the direction you're expecting it to go into, all because you didn't have patience. So try to kill this fear of missing out, because you're not going to miss out on any trade. The market will move forever. There are so many trading opportunities that are going to keep coming up on the charts. Once you have a solid and well-proven strategy and you have a trading edge, you will always get trading setups. So just have the patience to wait for your setups to play out before you take your trades. And then the last one, I'm sure you've heard it so many times at so many platforms, is lack of risk management. Lack of risk management. Some other people also call it money management. If you don't have proper risk management, you realize that your risk exposure is extremely high. You jump in on so many trades, no stop loss, sometimes huge stop loss. All these things go a long way to hurt you as a trader. So how can you take a trade risking more than you're expecting to make? Make sure your risk to reward is also strong. If you have a good risk to reward, you can win 50% of your trades. Sometimes you can even win 40% and still be a profitable trader, because you can win 95% of your trades and still be a losing trader, all based on how much you're risking on each trading position compared to how much you're going to make on that particular trade. So let's say if you're risking $100 and you're expecting to make $20 on a trade, look at the risk to reward. You're risking $100 for just $20. So now if you lose 3 times, you've lost $300. But if you win 7 times, how much have you made? You've made just $140. You realize that your total losses is $300. Your total profit is $140. But you're winning 70% of your trades. Are you a profitable trader? No, because your total losses far outweigh your total profits. So make sure you always have a solid risk to reward strategy, meaning that how much you're expecting to make on any trade should far outweigh how much you're expecting to lose on that particular trading setup as well. There are many more reasons as to why retail traders are not profitable. These 5 are the major ones I've noticed from my years of experience in the market. If you want to be a part of the 10% who are actually extremely successful in this space, make sure you do what the 10%ers do. You don't want to be part of the overwhelming majority who are not profitable. So if you find this video extremely helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Also leave a comment. Make sure you like this video, and also make sure you share this video to as many people as possible so it can be helpful to as many traders as possible. Also keep up with me on my socials at KOMMONFOREX on Twitter and Instagram. Also click in the link in the description to sign up with my recommended broker, and also click in the link in the description again to join my Telegram community where I share daily trading updates. I'm actually shooting an amazing intro to Forex trading video for my beginners on here. If you are new to Forex, you have no idea about Forex, you want to understand most of the basic concepts, I'm actually shooting a video which is tailored for your needs. but make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'll actually be dropping this video when we hit 2,000 subscribers. Currently, we are sitting a little above 1.3k subscribers. This number we've hit in less than a week. So I believe we can hit 2k subscribers easily. So by next week, we should hit 2k subscribers, and I'll be dropping this amazing beginner training video to help each and every person here who wants to know about Forex but has no idea the various concepts we have, has no idea how to place trades, has no idea what the market is, has no idea what entails in this industry. So I'll be dropping this video when we hit 2,000 subscribers, a mark I believe we can hit by next week. Thank you very much for staying with me. I hope this video was extremely helpful for you. See you in the next video.